Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes, it is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how I make this beautiful jerk chicken. So here are my charcoal that I will be using. So I'm going to pour this out into the grill. Well, absolutely not me, my husband. So after you dash it out, then we're going to get the light in the fire. So here I'm showing you my fire lighter, right? It helps to light the fire quickly. So he's going to use a little piece. There it is. And he's just going to light it. And then it will help the charcoal to light really quickly. So everything is just going to blaze up, blaze up, blaze up. Yeah, it's gonna blaze up. I'm telling you, Vibes fam, it really works. So get you some fire starter if you haven't already. Look at blazation. Yes, so now he's gonna put the, what do you call that again? The grill. Yeah, the grill. He's gonna put put the grill, and then I'm gonna go inside and bottle up my beer. So I'm using Budweiser because we couldn't find Red Stripe, but if you can find Red Stripe, use up your Red Stripe beer. So I'm gonna pour it into a spray bottle, but if you don't have a spray bottle, then just throw the beer from the bottle. So here are my ingredients. We're back to the fire. Ooh, it is smoking up in this place. So here he's using the avocado oil to put on the grill so that the chicken don't really stick. So avocado oil is very good because it has a very high burning point. You know, it very good with high fire. I am so tired, Vibes. Honestly, I can't think straight. So yeah, he put the chicken on the grill and I'm coming back after 20 minutes. 20 nice minutes. Here I am back with the camera because that's all I am, the camera lady. And it's burning point. Did I say high fire point? Avocado oil have a very high burning point. Yes, I think that's what it is. So yeah, this is after 20 minutes and we flip him over. Yes, chicken, you're looking so good already. You can tell that it is cooking. It is cooking, and here he is just spritzing the chicken with the beer. And of course, other than adding flavor, it helps to keep the chicken nice and moist, right? So the chicken don't dry out, because nobody don't want no dry burnt up chicken. We don't like burnt up chicken. So we're going to cover it again, and I'm coming back in another 20 minutes. Right, so here it is again, looking browner and browner every time. Ooh, look at juicy chicken, and we're gonna flip him over again. Let's see what's happening. Bam! Ooh, look at you looking beautiful. You look so good. Of course, spray him down again. Ooh. Take your little water bottle and spray him down. Ooh. It looks so good, and it's not even ready because we're going to leave it again for another 20 minutes. I was surprised how quickly this chicken finished. But my husband was like, listen, when the fire is right, you get it right. So yeah, this is after another 20 minutes. And let's see what we working with. Here we have it, Vibes fam, all beautiful and just nice. Look at the color. Yeah, of course he's gonna spritz it again, yeah, because it's still there while I am getting all the video content. But yes, spritzing it up. The color is so beautiful, just absolutely gorgeous. Just absolutely gorgeous. Turn it over, honey, so we can see the other side. Yes, that chicken is cookity cooked. Look at that right there. But of course, I need him to go and get his fork. By the way, don't follow him with him using him hand and just flipping the chicken, flipping it. Yeah, that would be me. But yeah, here he is with his fork, come through with his big fork, and then he's sticking it just to show that it is cookity cook. No blood not coming out or anything. But I wanted to show you even further. So he's tearing off that leg, rip it right. Ooh, look at juicy. That looks so juicy, so good. Yes, yes, yes. Go all up in there. It looks so good, vibes, fam. And it tastes even better. I promise you it tastes so good. Please go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Look at beautiful chicken. But thank you so much for hanging out with me and for stopping by. I hope you're doing well and feeling good. Thank you for watching. God bless you.